custom forms feature, there are almost endless ways that you can apply and use the custom form feature. For example, you can create a school absentee form, you can create a contest or giveaway submission, feedback form for a restaurant, for any retail store, volunteer opportunity form request a service from a business, or request a reservation from a restaurant, as you can see here. We've titled this Reserve a Large Party. And as you can see here, there's several fields that the end user would have to fill out in order to request a reservation from this restaurant. Let's jump in and see how they built this out. First, you'll want to start by adding fields. It's as easy as just simply drag and drop over to the right-hand side. If you don't want it, make sure to hit delete. Next, you can customize the field properties. Go over to field properties and select a field. Here, for example, if we wanted to change this basic description form, instead of it asking for email, it could ask for description, anything like that. Next, you'll want to fill out the form properties. For example, where is this form going to be sent to? Include the business admin email, usually here. Next, email subject. The form title, in this case, Reserve Your Large Party. A simple description, a success message, so that when the user has successfully submitted it, they'll know that it went through successfully. An error message, just in case some of the required fields have not been submitted. And last but not least, you can absolutely customize the theme as well. You can change the colors, you can change the background image, we can adjust and add a header image. Simple enough to just change with the color picker. And hit save. Last but not least, once these forms are submitted, you'll notice that they're all housed under the Manage Transaction section. From here, you can ultimately select one form or select all and export them out for your own tracking.